Hi, welcome to my channel Slay Minds. Today we will play Sudoku of 9 by 9. Puzzle consists of 9 by 9 grid divided into 3 by 3 boxes. Our goal is to fill in the entire grid with the numbers from 1 to 9. Each row, column and box must have all the numbers from 1 to 9 without any repetition. You may pause the video and draw a grid for 9 by 9 Sudoku as shown on the screen on a piece of paper. You can note down the given numbers and start playing with me. So let us consider this second column. In the second column, 8, 7, 9, 6, 5 are there. 1, 2, 4, 5 are missing. But in the first box, you can see in this cell, 4, 1, 5 we cannot give the place to in this cell. So we'll write 2 here. Okay. Now in this cell, we cannot give place to 4 and 5 because 4 and 5 are there in the same row. So we'll give the place to 1. Now in these two cells, we have to fill up with 4 and 5. But 4 we cannot write here because 4 is there in the same row. So we'll write 5 here and 4 in this cell. Now let us complete the top box. In this box, 4, 8, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6 are there. 5 and 9 are missing. So 9 we cannot write because 9 is in the same column in this cell. So 5 will write here and 9 will write here. Okay. Now let us complete the top row. In this row, 4, 8, 9, 5, 2, 7 are there. 1, 3 and 6 are missing. In this cell, 3, 6 are there. So we'll write here 1. And in this cell, 1, 6 are there. So the same column, 1, 6 are there. So we'll write 3 here and 6 in this cell. Now let us complete the last row. 5, 7, 2, 4, 1 are there. 3, 6, 8, 9 are missing. So 6 we cannot give place to 6 in these two cells, and we cannot give place in this cell as well. Write 6 here. Now 8, 3, 6 are missing. 8, 3 and 9 are missing. So 8 we cannot write here. 8 we cannot write here. So 8 will write in this cell. Now let us complete this box. In this box, 9, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7 are there. 1, 2, 8 are missing. So 1 we cannot write in these two cells as 1 is there in the same column. So 1 will write here, and 2 and 8 are missing. So 8 we cannot write in this cell because 8 is there on the right hand side of this cell. So 8 we cannot write here. So we'll write 2 here and 8 in this cell. Now let us complete the third column. In this column, 9, 1, 6, 8 to 7 are there. 3, 4 and 5 are missing. But we cannot write 3 in this cell. Sorry, we cannot write 4 and 5 in this cell because 4 and 5 are there on the right hand side of this row. So we'll write 3 here. And 4 we cannot write in this cell because 4 is there in the extreme right of this cell. So we'll write 5 here and 4 in this cell. Now let us complete this box. In this box, 1, 3, 9, 4, 6, 5 are there. 2, 7 and 8 are missing, but we cannot write 2 and 8 in this cell because 2 and 8 are there in the same row. So we'll write 7 here, and 2, 8 are for these two cells. So 2 we cannot write here because 2 is there in the same row. So 8 will write here and 2 in this cell. Let us complete the sixth row. 7, 6, 5, 8, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 9 are missing. So 1 and 9 are supposed to be in these two cells. So 1 cannot come in this cell because 1 is there in the same column. So we'll write 9 here and 1 in this cell. So let us complete the last column, that is the ninth column. 3, 5, 8, 2, 9, 6, 1. Only 4 and 7 are missing. So 4 and 7 are supposed to be filled in these two cells, but 4 we cannot fill in this cell because 4 is there in the same row. So we'll fill 7 here and 4 here. Now let us complete this box. In this box, 2, 7, 3, 5, 4 are there. 1, 6, 8, 9 are missing. So 1 we cannot fill in these three cells because 1 is in the same column and in the same row. So 1 will fill here. Let us complete the third row. In this row, 5, 7, 6, 1, 4 are there. 2, 3, 8, 9 are missing. So 2, 3, 8, 9 are supposed to be filled in these four cells, but we cannot fill 2 in this cell, 2 as well in this cell, and 2 in this cell as well. So 2 will fill up here. So now 3, 8, 9 are supposed to be filled in these three cells, but 3 we cannot fill in this cell because 3 is there in the same box. 3 we cannot fill here because 3 is in the same column. So we'll fill up 3 in this cell. Now let us complete the seventh row. In this row, 9, 4, 8, 6, 7 are there. 1, 2, 3, 5 are missing. So 1 we cannot fill here, and 1 and 2 we cannot fill here. Here 2, 3, 5 we cannot fill. So 1 will come here. Now we cannot fill 2 here because 2 is in the same row, same column and in the same box, and 2 we cannot fill here. So we will fill up with this with the 2. Let us complete the 8th row. In this row, 1, 3, 2, 7, 8, 6 are there. 4, 5, 9 are missing. So we cannot fill 4 in this cell and in this cell as well because 4 are in the same columns. So 4 will fill up here. Let us complete the 5th column. In this column, 5, 3, 2, 1, 7, 8 are there. 4, 6, 9 are missing. But we cannot fill 4 in these two cells because 4 is in the same box. So we'll fill up 4 here. And 6 and 9 are supposed to be in these two cells, but 9 we cannot fill up here because 9 is there in the same row. So we'll fill up this place with 6 and this with 9. Now let us complete the center box. In this box, 9, 4, 6, 8, 2, 3 are there. 1, 5, 7 are missing. But in this cell, we cannot fill up 1 and 5 because 1 and 5 are there in the same row. So we'll fill up this place with 7. And we cannot write 1 here because 1 is there. So we'll fill up with this cell with 5 and 1 here. Now let us complete the 4th row. 2, 1, 3, 7, 9, 4, 5, 8 are there. Only 6 number is missing. Now let us complete this box. In this box, 6, 5, 8, 2, 1, 4, 9 are there. 3 and 7 are missing. So 7 we cannot fill up here. We'll fill up this place with 3 and this with 7. Now let us complete the second last column, that is the 8th column. In this column, 7, 1, 5, 3, 4, 2, 8 are there. Only 6 and 9 are missing. So in this cell, we cannot fill up 6 because 6 is there in the same box and in the same row. So we'll fill this cell with the 9 and this cell with 6. Now let us complete this box. 2, 7, 8, 6, 4, 9, 1 are there. Only 3 and 5 are missing, but we cannot fill this cell with the 3 because 3 is in the same row. So we will fill up 5 here and 3 here. Now let us complete this 8th row. 1, 3, 2, 4, 7, 5, 8, 6 are there. Only 9 number is missing. So 9 is there now. Now let us complete this box. 1, 6, 4, 7, 9, 8, 2. Only 3 and 5 are missing. So 5 cannot come in this cell because 5 is in the same row. So 3 will come here and 5 will come here. Now let us complete the 4th column. In this column, 6, 2, 7, 1, 8, 5, 4, 3 are there. Only 9 number is missing. So 9 will come here. So let us complete the 6th column. In this column, 6, 1, 4, 5, 3, 6, 9, 2 are there. 7 and 8 are missing. So 7 cannot come in this cell because 7 is there in the same row. So 8 will come here and 7 will come here. Let us complete this box, the last box. In this box, 2, 7, 3, 6, 5, 1, 4 are there. Only 8 and 9 are missing. We cannot fill 8 in this cell because 8 is there in the same row. So we'll fill up this place with 9 and here it will come 8. Okay. Now this Sudoku is done. Hope you enjoyed playing Sudoku with me. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Tomorrow we will come up again with a new video and new Sudoku. Thank you.